Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube comments not showing up. If YouTube's comments are not showing up, it can be frustrating, but there are several steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue. First, you have to check the internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable internet connection. Poor connectivity can prevent comments from loading properly. And you have to clear browse cache. So in order to do that, you have to press on YouTube app and go to the app information, and after that go to storage and cache, and on the bottom you will see there's clear cache option. Tap on that, and then after you can go to your YouTube and look out for the video and check for the comments. And if this still does not works, you have to check your YouTube account. On the bottom right corner there's this account. If you sign into your YouTube account, make sure that your account settings allows you to view and interact with comments. And sometimes issues with YouTube comments not showing up are due to technical problems on YouTube's end. In such cases, you may need to wait for YouTube and resolve the issue. By following the steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and potentially fix the issue of YouTube comments not showing up.